from a small town in South Georgia called Montezuma. We have one traffic light, first of all. No Walmart. If you wanted a Walmart, you had to drive 30 minutes. GT actually sends out little newsletters to your hometown if you get honors or something like that. And so anytime that that's published, I'll have a couple people that I know still from there. They'll like text me and be like, I saw your name in the paper for like GT today. When you're coming from a small town and people like are there celebrating with you, it kind of makes you realize that you never leave your home. My parents and I would drive up here all the time, and we would drive by and you'd see the North Ave buildings on 75, and I would just always be like, one day I'm gonna come here. I made it here, so there must have been something in me that the school saw that says that, you know, like, we want her, so that means that I can do it. My parents come from very like humble beginnings, and so it was all up to me. And I've been working every semester as well while taking classes at Tech, and so just like knowing that I did that also just like really makes me feel super proud of myself, because I see other students that are blessed and they're just like coasting through life, and they're like going to an event or a party, and I'm just like, oh, I can't, I have to go to work. But now I can. And so I think it's totally worth it. If there's any other student that's self-supporting themselves, that yes, it kind of sucks right now, but when you're at that finish line and you can look back and say, yeah, I did that, like my name's on that degree and it's totally mine. I think that's amazing.